Buddleia is a really valuable flowering shrub that can be grown in virtually any garden. It loves a sunny site, but it will tolerate some dappled shade, and it will come into flower from around the middle of summer, providing week after week of these beautiful flowers. And if you deadhead promptly, you'll encourage more blooms to develop to carry this flowering display on right into autumn. Many people know Buddleia by its common name of butterfly bush, and this is why. If you've got a Buddleia in your garden, it is a magnet for local butterflies to fly in and feed from those nectar-rich blooms. Here in the United Kingdom, I encourage all sorts of butterflies onto my Buddleia, including the wonderful peacock butterfly, the dainty tortoiseshell, the beautiful comma butterfly with orange patterned wings with a scalloped edge. And if the wings are closed, you can identify the comma because of a little C mark, a white mark on the dark wing. Helps to identify this as the comma. Then there's the painted lady, a migratory butterfly that starts its journey in Africa, breeding and feeding and travelling up across Europe before it reaches Great Britain and hopefully my garden to enjoy feeding on a range of garden plants, including the Buddleia. And finally, the beautiful red Admiral with its wonderful markings. A pleasure to see this, taking pride of place on the Buddleia through the summer months. And if you plant a Buddleia in your garden, hopefully yours will be visited by many butterflies too. Winter is the time to prune your Buddleia or butterfly bush, and this is a Buddleia called Nanoensis, sometimes called Nano Blue. You'll get lots of tall new growth which comes up in a season, so your job for pruning is to get rid of last year's growth, follow it down and cut back to its base, because you'll get new shoots developing at the base and these will grow up and carry flowers this year. So just follow all of these stems down just to where some buds are low down on the stem. All of last year's growth can be pruned away, and this makes room for the new growth to develop. Looks like it's a bit ruthless, but this is exactly what you need to do. If you leave these old stems in place, all you're going to get is very top heavy old growth developing up, and your plants will get straggly and really not perform that well. So cut off the growth, and what I'm going to do is to prune some shoots down to this stubby base, some of it shorter, some of it longer, and then you'll get new growth developing in tiers, which means that your flowering display will also be developing in tiers to give you a really good summer flowering performance. I really hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Any old woody bits like this have died back. They didn't produce any new growth last year, so I'm going to remove these completely. Just cut back flush to the old stem and remove this old woody growth. Continue working around your shrub, following all these old stems. So a stem like this, all of this growth can be cut back. Just come back to some lower buds and these will sprout out and grow. I know it looks quite ruthless, but this is exactly what you need to do to control the growth of your Buddleia. You get very top heavy if you don't remove them. So every stem, follow it back, find some new buds at the base of the stem, just cut beyond those, and this is a really good way to rejuvenate the shrub and ensure that the flowering performance will be good over the summer months. There you have it. Just go over it again. If you see any little old woody bits which can be cut back, just snip those back in order. But there you have it, all the shoots cut back down, and now we'll get new growth developing from here. So within a few months, by the time we get through spring, you're going to have lovely new leafy growth. Lots of new shoots are developed, and as we move into summer, those shoots will be carrying flowers. and you'll have a beautiful display of blooms to bring the butterflies and bees into your garden. Then it's important, once those flowers have faded, to deadhead regularly. Snip off the old faded flowers, just remove the flower itself, and this encourages side shoots to develop further down the stem, and those side shoots will carry more flowers, which will continue the flowering display into autumn. So regular deadheading is important to keep your Buddleia blooming. But now is the time to do the spring pruning. Get that job done right away. Today I've concentrated on pruning Buddleia davidii, and there are many varieties you can choose for your garden, including some very dwarf ones. There's the multicoloured Buddleia berries and cream, the deep colours of black night. For pure white, go for something like white profusion. And then there are dwarf varieties, particularly varieties of the Buzz range, like Buzz Magenta, Buzz Midnight, and Buzz Sky Blue. But there are other colours too. Pink Delight is a gorgeous Buddleia. Or how about Candy Little White or Candy Little Lila? Lots to choose from, so if you've got a space in your garden and you're looking for something to provide some summer colour that brings in the bees and the butterflies and other beneficial insects to feed, then check out Buddleias at your local nursery and garden centre.